Pattern Finder is a powerful scanner designed to help you analyze stocks and indices effortlessly. Here's how to access it. Step 1. Open the hamburger menu on your platform. Go to Product Links and select Pattern Finder. This tool is specifically used for traders as it identifies profitable opportunities using technical analysis. The best part is that as a Sharekhan customer, you can use this service completely free of charge. To get started, subscribe with just one click, set alerts for your preferred patterns, and receive all results directly on your registered email ID before the next trading day. Happy trading with Sharekhan.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.